Tender, juicy, and delicious barbecue is the cornerstone of outdoor cooking. Every professional barbecue pitmaster, chef, and backyard warrior knows that the true secret of turning meat into melt-in-your-mouth, flavorful masterpieces is a precision balance of time and temperature. The problem? Most grills can't maintain accurate low and slow even temperatures consistently over time. Temperature spikes can rapidly dry out your barbecue, and temperature dips might leave it tough, chewy, and even undercooked. The engineers at BBQ Guru have solved the problem by developing a high-tech controller that automates your grill's cooking temperature to give it oven-like precision. The result is delicious and perfectly cooked barbecue every time. Simply attach your Guru control to your grill, set your desired temperature, and it will precisely pulse oxygen over the coals to stabilize and maintain the perfect temperature. An internal computer constantly tracks all temperature fluctuations within your grill and adapts to these changes by adjusting the airflow with its calibrated fan system. You will be easily creating mouth-watering meals that your friends and family will love. The BBQ comes with a pit probe and a food probe that constantly track your meat's internal temperature and has an audible done alarm, so you'll know when to pull your meal from the heat when you've reached the exact peak of perfection. Whether you're just thinking of starting the hobby of barbecue or you're a seasoned pitmaster, the cutting-edge technology from BBQ Guru will make your outdoor cooking easier and more fun than ever before.